Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to cover Genesis, or Gnosis, however you'd like to say it. We're going to go over our key levels on this chart. So we're going to be looking for swing highs, swing lows, multiple rejections to an area. We want our area to be acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and we're going to start on the monthly here, and we can start off with our swing high and our swing low. We can also see price came and reversed from this level, came down and reversed kind of in the similar area. So we are going to draw a zone at this level here, and we'll fine tune it in the weekly. But other than that, we have another level here. Let's go ahead and draw that in. So this is how our monthly looks. It looks a lot more structured than nothing there. Here is kind of blind. We don't know what we're looking at. Where when we add some structure to the chart, we can determine where price may react. So let's go to the weekly. Now on the weekly, we can see more clear how price reacts to these levels. Price came down, we had long wicks sticking out, and reversed. Came up to this level with long wicks sticking out, reversed, came back up, long wicks, reversed, with a drastic move away from the level. Now we came back to this level that we already established here, and we've seen long wicks. We've seen an inside bar and a momentum candle, which then pulled back to a higher low at the same level and came up. Long wicks rejecting at our top key level here, and this level we established. So let's fine tune this a little bit and put it at the top of our closes, and we're going to change the color to a weekly, just because it's easier to spot on the weekly. So we can see price came down, and we see the swing low here. So we plotted it in this area, but we also see that price came up and got rejected from this level here. So let's go ahead and plot that in as our weekly level. So now looking at our chart on the weekly, we have a bit more structure for the higher time frames. And this is what we want when figuring out our long-term strategy. So why don't you guys go ahead and plot these levels on your chart, and we'll go over the dailies in a future video. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like for more videos like this.